Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to enable the developer options on our Fire TV Stick device and thus be able to install third-party applications, external and of unknown origin. The Fire TV Stick, despite being a device with an operating system based on Android, often does not have all the applications that we would like it to have. The clearest case of this is the HBO Max application, which is not available natively on the Fire TV Stick, so if we go to the App Store, the application will not appear directly. But while this does not mean that it cannot be installed. In fact, yes, you can, and if you want to do it, up here, I am going to leave a video with a very easy process to install the application. The thing, and what we come to in this video, is that there are external applications that you need to have a number of permissions to install, and that is achieved by activating the developer options. To do this, the process is very simple. We just have to go here to the settings wheel on the right side, go down to where it says My Fire TV, and once you are here, click on About. And here the only thing you have to do is to press 7 times the central button of the remote control. You see twice above your model of Fire TV Stick, mine is the 4K Max. So it says that, but well, yours will put the model that you have simply you put there above, you press 7 times the button on the remote control, and thus you will activate the developer options. In this case, it seems to me that it is not necessary because I already have them activated. But well, in this case, you will see Ya sois desarrolladores. Once you have done this, if you press back, you can access the developer options menu, from which you will appear here, where it says Install Unknown Apps, applications compatible with the system that you have installed and need this permission to run, such as the downloader application, which from here we can enable or disable it. By default, for example, if you install it, it will be deactivated. But with the developer options, you can come here and activate the application to use it without any problem. Well guys, so much for today's video. A very easy video, very simple and very fast. But well, if any of you had this doubt or this little detail of how to activate the developer options, well, here it is to make it very simple. As always, if the video has been useful, do not forget to leave me a like, which is super important, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell to not miss anything. I, for my part, nothing more. As always, a pleasure, and until the next video.